Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss land pollution. When we talk about air or water pollution, the reaction generated are stronger. This is because we can see the effects caused by pollutants and their extent very clearly. It is human psychology to believe in It is normal human psychology to believe in what you see firsthand. Our land, on the other hand, is living a nightmare too. We may not be able to see the effects with clarity, but land is being polluted and abused constantly, and we are unable to calculate the damages incurred. Land pollution has come to become one of the serious concerns that we collectively battle. Land pollution, in other words, means degradation or destruction of the earth's surface and soil. Again, I am saying land pollution, in other words, means degradation or destruction of the earth's surface and soil directly or indirectly as a result of human activities. Anthropogenic activities are conducted, hitting development and same affect the land drastically. We witness land pollution by drastic. We are referring to the activity, the lessen the quality or the productivity of land as ideal place for agriculture. Land pollution has led to a series of issues where we have come to realize in recent time. So, causes of land pollution: deforestation and erosion. Deforestation carried out to create dry lands is one of the major concerns. Land that is once converted into dry or barren land can never be made fertile again. Whatever the magnitude of measure to rhythm it is, land conservation meaning the alternation of modification of the original properties of the land. Second one is agriculture activities. With the growing human population, demand for food has increased considerably. Farmers often use highly toxic fertilizers and pesticides to get rid of insects, fungi, and bacteria from their crop. However, with the overuse of this chemical, the result of contamination and poisoning of soil. Third one is mining activities. During extraction and mining activities, several land spaces are created beneath the surface. We constant hear about land caving in. This is nothing but nature's way of filling the space left out after mining of extraction activity. Fourth one is overcrowded landfill. Each household produces tons of garbage each year. Garbage like aluminum, plastic, paper, cloth, wood is collected and sent to the local recycling unit. The items that cannot be recycled become a part of landfill that hampers the fertility of the land and hampers the beauty of the city and the cause of land pollution. And the fifth one is industrialization. Due to an increase in demand for food, shelter, and house, more goods are produced. This resulted in creation of more waste that needs to be disposed of. To meet the demand of the growing population, more industries were developed, which led to deforestation. Research and development paved the way of the modern fertilizers and chemical that were highly toxic that led to soil contamination. And the sixth one is construction activities. Due to urbanization, a large number of construction activities are taking place, which has resulted in large waste articles like wood, metal, bricks, plastic that can be seen by naked eyes outside any building or office which is under construction. And the seventh one is nuclear waste. Nuclear plants can produce a huge amount of energy through nuclear fission and fusion. The leftover radioactive material contains harmful and toxic chemicals that can affect human health. They are damped beneath and are to avoid any casualty. And the last one, sewage treatment. A large amount of solid waste is left over once a sewage has been treated. The leftover material is sent to landfill site, which end up in polluting the environment. Okay, that's all for the way. Thank you.